Everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to wrap image in Canva. In order to wrap image in Canva, you'll have to follow the simple steps. So first thing first, open up a browser and on the web address bar, type in canva.com and log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be taken to the dashboard. From here, you want to go ahead and select the template. So let me go with this one. So after which I'm gonna go ahead and add a new page, or I'm gonna go ahead and look at the image that I want to wrap it with. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use element. So let's consider this is, so I'm gonna go ahead and insert it here. So for the text box, you wanna go to the T icon and then all the text box. So you could go ahead and add it. So now you could go ahead and type your message or whatever text to type in, and after which you just wanna afterwards, you just want to go ahead and adjust just like this and then drag it where you actually want to align it, just like that. So this is the way you could go ahead and wrap text. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.